Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. आज का वीडियो है an Amazon haul video. It's more like the festive pics that I have got from Amazon this time. तो festive season है, so many occasions coming up and Amazon पे बहुत सारे अच्छे outfits मैंने देखे which I wanted to share with you all. So there's a good mix of outfits जो आप गणेश चतुर्थी या फिर आने वाले occasions पे पहन सकते हो. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the first outfit for today's video. ये है from the brand Janasya. You already know it's one of my favorite brands for ethnic wear on Amazon क्योंकि इनकी quality हमेशा अच्छी रहती है. So I'm wearing this lovely floral anarkali set in this nice combination of green with a pink dupatta. बहुत ही सिंपल सा सेट है with long sleeves और sleeve पे गोटा पट्टी का border है. It has same print going on the pant and the anarkali. Georgette fabric का ये set है. It's very comfortable. The fit is a bit loose on me. I have a size XL, so you can always check the size before you order. I like the way the set looks. Now मैंने इसे accessorize किया है with this Kundan set. This way it becomes a very nice outfit option for smaller occasions. Like you can also wear it for a wedding occasion like haldi, mehndi और संगीत, या फिर आप सिर्फ झुमका पहन सकते हो like statement झुमका or more simple necklace, and that way you can style it for the festive season. So many festive occasions coming up and this is a very nice outfit option क्योंकि बहुत सारे age groups पे ये बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा and it has a decent flair to the outfit, so I really like that as well. ये मुझे outfit पड़ा था for something 2200 के आसपास मुझे outfit पड़ा on Amazon, and I think it is a very good deal because it's great quality, it is comfortable, बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है and अच्छी बात यह है कि you can go heavy with the styling or a little basic as well with the styling and you still look gorgeous wearing this set. So I have the links in the description box, do check it out. आते हैं to the second outfit जो है ये कुर्ता शरारा set. ये है from the brand Ishin, again one of my favorite brands to shop for ethnic wear when it comes to good quality and great pricing. तो ये पूरा set मुझे मिला for 1500 and I'm really happy with this one because I love the color. It's in a teal shade, काफी unique shade है and it's a very nice multiple usage kind of festive outfit. क्योंकि अभी मैंने style किया है with just earrings and like this मैं ready हो सकती हूँ for Ganesh पूजा or any other small festive occasions. You're visiting someone for Ganesh or for any other festive occasion, then you can dress up like this जहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा भी नहीं लग रहे हो but you're looking apt for the occasion. And now ये है in a polysilk fabric, तो आप देख सकते हो कुर्ता पे बहुत अच्छा काम है and it has a plain शरारा and net का दुपट्टा आता है with a nice border all over the दुपट्टा. मतलब जो काम है on the neckline of the कुर्ता वही border है on the दुपट्टा. Now when I say कि you can wear it for different occasions, आप इसे थोड़ा heavily style कर सकते हो with a nice statement necklace and इस तरीके से you can wear it for a small wedding occasion like संगीत or mehndi, and it's very comfortable even if it's like in poly silk fabric. It feels very comfortable and I'm happy with the fitting of this as well. बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है and I think they also have a color option in this. I'm not really sure but मैंने link description box में डाला है so you can check that out. Okay, I don't know about you guys but I love wearing black for festive occasions as well because it just looks gorgeous on anyone. And I have this outfit. ये है an Amazon brand called Mix and 1700 का मुझे ये outfit पड़ा. Absolutely love this. तो जब मैं order कर रही थी मेरा size was not in stock, so I actually ended up ordering 2 sizes larger than my usual size. So it is looking quite a loose fit but I love the way it looks as well now. The loose fit स्ट्रेट फिट कुर्ता है ये. Now it is black and gold classic combination. तो कुर्ता पे as you can see they have nice detailing on the kurta. It has like the sequin booty work all over the kurta. It comes with straight fit trousers and it comes with a beautiful organza dupatta. तो दुपट्टा पे बहुत प्यारा सा border है and it is a good quality organza, so I'm really happy about that. And इसमें color options भी हैं, but I picked up the black one because black and gold just looks beautiful and classic always. And मैंने इसे accessorize किया है with just gold earrings, gold bangles, very simple accessories, and it just looks beautiful this way. So if you are attending, you know, a festive occasion at someone's house, and it's a very simple outfit, like you can literally gift it to any age group person as well. Like your mom can wear it, you can wear it. It'll just look beautiful on anyone. And अगर आप wedding receptions वगैरह attend कर रहे हो, even for those occasions बहुत ही प्यारा outfit है जो बहुत subtle है, but still it looks very nice and very festive and grand at the same time. So I really love this one. Highly recommend you to check this particular product. So आजकल every other brand ना is coming up with lovely sets in reds and maroons, and मेरे पास है ये maroon kurta palazzo set from Janasya again. It's really a very good brand that you should really try out on Amazon. तो it is a Georgette fabric का set, kurta palazzo set. So you can see it has a collar style neckline and 3/4 sleeves हैं with a border, and there is like buttons and a border on the front as well. पूरा kurta पे ना there is foil print going on, and the same foil print is there on the palazzo as well. And you get an organza dupatta. Just you know ये scallop detailing है at the border. Very simple outfit that way, but just the color and just the print on it makes it look very nice and festive. तो मैंने यहाँ पे style किया है with just earrings and some bangles, and I think it's perfect this way. Very good option त्योहार के लिए, गणेश पूजा के लिए या फिर कोई भी फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए बहुत ही प्यारा सेट है. आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी क्लासिक सेट जो आप कभी भी ना रीयूज कर सकते हो, एंड इट विल ऑलवेज बी इन स्टाइल एंड इन ट्रेंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन एंड द स्टाइल ऑफ द आउटफिट. एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइस क्वालिटी. फिट भी मुझे इसका बहुत अच्छा लगा, एंड yeah, you can reuse it for different occasions, wedding occasions as well. If you are a wedding guest, you do not want to dress up, you know, too fancy, you want to be simple, this is a very nice set for that. So really recommend to check this one out. आते हैं to the last outfit for today. ये है again from the Amazon brand called Mix, and मुझे बहुत पसंद है जब you know festive outfits बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable होते हैं, and they you know block print festive outfits में ना बहुत ही rare होता है, but this is just the right choice for it. So ये है red block print kurta set as you can see. तो kurta पे you have this bagru print going on. चंदेरी silk fabric का kurta है. It is so good quality and it has this you know koti style over here. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं. अगेन जब मैं ऑर्डर कर रही थी मेरे ट्रू साइज पे अवेलेबल नहीं था, तो मैंने काफ़ी बड़ी साइज ऑर्डर करी है. एंड इट हैज़ दिस लवली दुपट्टा इन लाइक प्योर कॉटन एंड वेरी सॉफ्ट, सो सॉफ्ट, एंड लाइक इट्स एन आउटफिट ना मैं पूरा दिन ऐसे आराम से पहन के घूम सकती हूँ, एंड आई विल नॉट फील हॉट और अनकम्फर्टेबल वेयरिंग दिस. इट इज़ सो soft, so nice, and जो trouser है वो plain है with just a small golden border on it, and it is just looking beautiful. There's like tiny sequin detailing over here, बहुत minimum you know detailing है, but it is such a comfortable festive fit. I absolutely love this. I think it's one of my most favorite picks from today's video. ये थोड़ा pricey था, I believe 2800 something कुछ तो था, but it is such great quality. So amazed with this particular product, and you can wear it for pujas at home, you can wear it for visiting someone, you can wear it for your office occasions. It is such a great outfit and a good investment in your wardrobe as well. So I really like this one. If you're looking for comfortable, super comfortable festive fit, then this is the best pick for you guys. So ये थे सारे outfits for today's Amazon video. I'll be coming up with a part 2 as well on festive fits from Amazon. आपका favorite outfit कौन सा था from today's video? मुझे comment करके ज़रूर बताना. And you know the drill. If you did like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.